Hi, this is Roger, thanks for dropping by. This is an apology video for no videos. I know that sounds daft, but basically Hannah and I had a good gardening day yesterday. We got a lot done, and unfortunately from my point of view I got too much done. So when I got up this morning I had a job to move. My back was bent, I couldn't straighten up properly, my knees hurt like hell. So basically I spent most of the day sat in my comfortable chair, and then to top it all I had an upset tum. So I've worn out the carpet between the comfy chair and the downstairs toilet. Luckily there was a downstairs toilet because the stairs are proving difficult. It's now the end of today. I'm a little bit better. I'm still not what I would call mobile. We've run out of trips to the toilet on the grounds that there's only so much you can do, so to speak. Oh, and laughing hurts as well. So I'm going to leave it at that, and I do apologise. I'm hoping that another night's sleep on top of things will get me at least feeling comfortable again and around and about. And tomorrow I'm hoping to start the 2025 Project Orchids. Which is a matter of, like I've said, I choose 5 genera, I choose 3 plants in each genera, so it will be ones that I've got quite a few of, and then ask you to vote for the one you think we ought to do regular updates on, which will leave us with 5 plants to do regular updates on for, well, possibly a year, something like that. These are not the most popular videos, but those that like them really do like them, so I'm happy to please those people, because once we get it going, the updates are not that often. It's not like it's interrupting with everything. Oh, ow. Anyway, so I shall see you tomorrow for something more sensible. I will get out and do a video around the garden to sort of say what we did at the weekend. Hannah was beavering away doing mostly the patio and trimming back edges and stuff like that, which is all the bending and kneeling stuff, which I'm just hopeless at. And unfortunately I did digging plants up and planting plants, which wasn't the best of ideas on reflection, but it's done now. Anyway, so that's it for today, and I'll see you tomorrow for something. Bye for now.